Hey there, this is Brian Fields. So, very quick video. I did a thing. This is my charger that I keep on my s2000, and I made myself a little install here. If you can see, it's right down there, screwed in, and I got this coming off the charger. And then that goes up underneath here. I got some number 4 wire going straight to the battery. I already have some other battery terminals on there, but anyways, that's what I did. But then I got inspired. I said, I have a really good idea, because these are my nice jumper cables I've had for years. They're 4-gauge wire, which is a little bit bigger, but I cut them in the middle and I put this on there so I can use them, put them together like normal. And those are big beefy things. Or if I want to jump somebody's car or jump my truck, I just plug this, essentially, I'm going to make certain we're not shorted out here, into here. And now I don't even need to open the hood to jump a different car. This is a brilliant little idea. These little Anderson power pole connectors are like, I don't know. I think the whole thing, I ordered a bunch of them from DigiKey, so I probably spent $100, but they're like $5 or $6 a piece. They're not ridiculous. What's kind of neat is this here is the handle. And the way they're set up, if I need to just charge a regular battery, I can use this here and I can plug it like this. And now I can charge a regular battery here. Well, there we go. Now it pops in. And I could use this to clamp onto a regular battery if I had to. Just for testing or charging, whatever, because this is a little cheap charger. I just use it to keep the car topped off. Anyways, I thought this was a really cool idea. Maybe somebody else will find it useful. And I'm going to see if I can do the same kind of output on the truck. Because it's a really convenient thing without having to open the hood. I have the hood here just open to show it. Anyways, hope this was interesting. Maybe gave you a good idea. This is Brian Fields, amateur radio call sign, W9CR.